Hello and welcome to the EdQuires Channel, your ultimate source for tapping into the light and wisdom within. This is Taking Mental Showers, 5 ways to an inner reboot in the moment. Are you looking to maintain stable levels of positive energy, vitality, and productivity throughout the day, despite your innumerable interactions and challenges? If yes, then it is time to pause for a quick mental shower for an inner reboot. There are 5 simple ways to do this without significant interruption to your day's trajectory or agenda. Mental shower tip number 1. Notice the gap between your activities. Begin your inner reboot process simply by noticing the gaps between your planned activities. These gaps are crucial segments of time that you can claim for realigning, refocusing, and refreshing of your valuable internal resources. This is to ensure that you are achieving your highest intentions for the coming activity. A quiet moment of time between activities is a prime time for quick mental showers toward an inner reboot. A crucial balancing strategy, especially amidst particularly trying or draining periods of activity that you have created on your own or in connection with other people. Replenishing your inner resources between activities is an important commitment that allows you to show up as your best self throughout the day. Mental shower tip number 2. Recall your highest intention for your next segment of activity. What's next on the agenda for you? Is it engaging in a conversation, taking a meal, completing a task, taking an exercise, or winding down? Whatever activity it is you have chosen for yourself for the coming period of time, reclaim and restate to yourself your highest intention for doing so. Begin your mental shower with a clear, "I will" statement that speaks to your end goal in mind. If you can, take a few seconds to write this statement down to focus your next steps for the coming segment of time. And in another few seconds, also take a moment to define for yourself how you would like to feel during your next activity period. Take a quick mental shower, reaffirming to yourself the purpose and the positive feelings you expect to derive for the next moment in time. Mental shower tip number 3. Close your eyes and visualize positive outcomes. Who will be your co-creators for the next activity period? What instruments will you use? Take the time now to project these players and instruments on the screen of your mind, in a scene that depicts you holding steady in your strength, power, and pure positive energy. Take a mental shower by seeing yourself and your co-creators on purpose, in harmony and in smooth energetic flow, achieving your desired outcomes. Stay with the image and feel yourself, your co-players, and your environment working in concert to bring you what you want to achieve for the next segment of time. Mental shower tip number 4. Pause what you're doing and look around you. Look where you are, taking a moment to find and appreciate the wellness that surrounds you. Appreciate the things you have amassed for yourself. The place you call home. Your personal items. Your list of things to do. Look around and appreciate the people, animals, and other living beings interacting and co-creating with you. Appreciate the work and the challenges driving you forward. Know that these are the sacred blessings of life. Take a mental shower by getting up and taking inner steps wherever you are, to find and appreciate the unique beauty and organization of your inner and outer worlds. For the final mental shower tip of the day, go ahead and send yourself an unabashed message of thanks and appreciation. Know that you are a magnificent human being deserving the best that this life has to offer. When was the last time you sent yourself a message of love and thanks? Take a quick mental shower by doing this now. Affirm to yourself your strength, your wisdom, your beauty, and your invaluable personal contributions to the circles of people and systems that form the fabric of your life experience. Take a mental shower now. Take a moment to refresh your mind with positive messages that are especially crafted and addressed for your own self. Thank you for tuning in today. Replenishing your powerful creative drive from the inside by taking mental showers in the gaps between activities is an important self-care and self-preservation decision. Taken consistently and with complete awareness, this decision will result in people and conditions seemingly coming together to bring you what you want in the perfect timing. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more messages of personal upliftment and empowerment. Until next time, thank you for your peace, your wisdom, and your light.